Hello and welcome to Start of Success classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on quantitative aptitude. As we know that quants is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is the most high scoring portion also, because it requires only your basic numerical and mathematical skills, like mathematical skills from class 6 to class 10. So people are usually uh, get high enough score to increase their total marks. Okay, so let's see what is in this question. Here we are given a bar graph, and based on this bar graph we need to find the answer of these following questions. In this bar graph we are given the demand and production of 5 companies named A, B, C, D and E. So let's see what is in this first question. What percent of the demand of company C is that of the company B? So first of all we need to find the demand of company C. So this is company C and the demand is denoted by the lined portion. Therefore the demand of company C is 2500, and for company B it is 600. Therefore our required percentage is 600 divided by 2500 into 100. That means 24%. Hence option C is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. What is the difference between average demand and average production of the 5 companies taken together? So the average demand for 5 companies is nothing but the average of 3600, 2500, 1200 and lastly 3300, all divided by 5, and this results in 10,600 divided by 5, so which is 2120. And the next one is average production for 5 companies. It is the average of 1500 plus 1800 plus 1000 plus 2700 and lastly 2200 divided by 5, which results in 9200 divided by 5, and that is equals to 1840. So the required difference is 2120 minus 1840, and that is equals to 280. So our required answer is option C. Now let's see the next question, question number 68. The average production of the companies A, B and C and of the companies D and E are in the ratio average production of company A, B and C is it is 1500, 1800 and 1000. Average of 1500, 1800 and 1000, and this results in 4300 divided by 3, and that is equals to we don't need to evaluate this because we remain it to fraction. This helps to further calculation to find the ratio. Average production of D and E is 2700 and 2200, and this results in 4900 divided by 2. So the ratio is 4300 by 3 divided by 2 into 4900. So this results in 430 divided by 735, and that is equals to 86 is to 147. Hence option B is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved 3 questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these 2 numbers, 9836793076 or 987488225756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.sarosasclasses.com. Thank you very much.